Are you tired of working your fingers to the bone trying to make money online? You are not alone. I've tried for years, if not for decades, just trying to make a living online, but it has always eluded me. I want to see what keeps the rich richer and the poor poorer. And guess what? I went behind the scene and I was able to crack the code. And the code is what I'm coming to release to you here today. I want you to stay close with me. And I want you to know that making money online is a science. It's just like A plus B is equal to C. When you get to know what the elements are and you are able to follow closely, you'll be able to solve your money problem so easily. There's a formula that I want to share with you that I found out. That for anyone that makes money online, you first and foremost need an asset. Now, what is an asset? An asset is any platform or anything that you own that has the ability to generate money for you. And you could see or realize that most of the people that are making money online has one asset or the other. They start by first building one asset, and then they added on and they added on. So they are able to eventually create multiplicity of assets. Now this causes them to make money in diverse ways. So you don't only have money coming from one channel, but you have money coming from various channels. Now, the question that you may ask is that, what is an asset and how can you build one? Now, in searching for the code that I'm about to talk to you, I realized a formula. The formula is a simple formula which says that MS times SS times TS is equal to assets. Now that's so wonderful. Then you may wonder, what is MS, what is TM, what is all that? And that is why I'm here. That's what I'm coming to break down and explain to you. It's a simple phenomenon which I believe you should be able to know, after I have done my explanation. Now, to build an asset, you need a platform, a foundation, or an entity that has the ability to create money for you, even sometimes when you are asleep. And that's what we call passive income. Now, an asset could be like, let me give you a clear example. Let's say you own a building. Now, you can rent this building out and you'll be benefiting from the rent that comes out of the building. The building now becomes your asset. But in other words, when you come to online, people have platforms where others may go and sign up and utilize the platform and they are paid money. Others has subscriptions website where you subscribe and you are paid, you pay monthly dues to the owner of the platform. Others have a platform where they have embedded certain tools that you may need to use each and every time. So as you go around and you pay for these tools, you are enriching these people month by month. And one thing that I realize is that most of the people that are making huge amount of monies online are not those that are just working for salary or working for commission. They are those who own one platform or the other. Now let me come back to this formula that I used to talk about. That MS times SS times TS equal to an asset. Let's start by explaining what MS is. MS basically stands for your mindset. It's not possible for you to make it online without having a very good mindset. Now, what do I mean by a very good mindset? Now, a mind that is set is like a thermostat that is set at a particular temperature. Now, when you set the thermostat at 45 degrees Celsius, the temperature will not go beyond 45 degrees Celsius and it will not go below 45 degrees Celsius. Now, what it means is that you have set your mind according to a particular outcome or according to a particular line that you are not going to deviate from. The kind of mindset that you need to be able to make wealth online is a positive mindset. First and foremost, you must know that it is possible. You must know that when you apply your hand to it and you work diligently and you are able to have patience and you are able to spend time, you are surely going to make it like any other person that is making it online. Because trust me, when you talk to all the entrepreneurs who are making money online, they'll tell you that one, they have patience, two, they apply themselves, three, they work diligently, and then four, they are able to know that as they put in the effort, results will surely come. You need to have this as a mindset so that you don't give up on the way. You don't just start today and expect that things will flourish tomorrow, but you know that as you apply yourself and over time and patience, you are truly going to break through. So your mindset is key when it comes to making money online. And this is what this channel is about. We are always going to talk about mindset and how to set your mind to such a level that this whole thing will become possible. I want you to follow me through, and I know at the end, you will surely know how your benefit is going to come. Now, the second one is the SS, which is the skill set. Now, what kind of skills do you need to be able to make money online? Most people will say, oh, I don't have any skill. Some will say, well, I can only read. Some will also say, oh, I know how to draw. Another person can say, well, I can create a website. Somebody will say, I only know how to cook. Now, all these things are what we call skill sets. And now when you have a good mindset and you are able to add your skill set to it, then you are only left with one level to be able to create an asset. You get what I mean? Now, the final level of creating your asset, which is your tool set, means that when your mindset is made up and your skill set is ready, now you need tools that is going to cause you to behave efficiently and to do things faster and to be able to overcome and get your results in the shortest possible time. And trust me, recently, there are so many tools that can assist you and bring you fast to your results than ever before. Especially with the coming of AI. AI has introduced so many tools that has made things much, much easier than it used to be before. Google is there to help you. YouTube is there for you to find out and make a research about all the things that you need to know. And I'm telling you, all these tool sets are there. And then when you apply your mindset to your skill set and you are able to add your tool set, the final thing that comes out of all these three is your final asset. And what the asset can do for you is that now you have a platform where people can go and use your platform and then pay you for money. I know most people may wonder that, okay, can I work for somebody? And I'm telling you that you can make much more money by having an asset than trying to go and probably work for someone. So if you can follow me closely, this channel is purely about mindset, skill set, and tool set. So on every video that I release on this channel, I'm going to touch on your mindset, I'll touch on skill set, and I'll touch on tool set. There are so many tools that you can use. How to create funnels, there are tools for funnel creation, how to create your autoresponder. These may be jargons that you may not understand, but trust me, as you come into the industry and you start learning, all these things will be opened up gradually to you and you will get to know them and then how to use them, because this platform is about holding your hand and taking you one step at a time until you are at your final destination. And I'm telling you, I'm going to take this journey with you. I'm not going to leave you on the line. I'm going to be with you from A until you get to Z. Trust me, there may be challenges along the way, but that is why you need a good mindset. I want you to know that these mindsets are such that they might be set in such a way that when the challenges are coming, you should know that these are just temporary challenges and you'll be able to overcome them. You can make all that you need to ever make. Because I tell you, there are billions of people online, billions. And how many of them do you need to turn your life around? It is highly possible. This is the generation we live in. And this is the times that we are living in. The Bible says that the people of the world are smarter in their own generation. Why is it saying so? Because the people of the world knows how to apply into what is current. You can't make money in the past. You have to come to the present. Now, when you come to the present, you realize that most of what is going on is such that people go to school, they go to learn, and by the time they finish college has well prepared them for something which no longer exists. The kind of employment that college is preparing them for, by the time they are coming out of college, you realize that these employments do no longer exist. So what do you have to do? You have to prepare yourself for the current, because the people of the world are more noble and smarter in their own time. I want you to be smarter in your own time. And I tell you, the keys that we are going to use on this platform is your mindset, your skill set, and your tool set. And when these three things comes together, there is no way that you cannot make any money. The channel name is eMoney Tools, and I'm telling you, we choose eMoney Tools because we believe that electronic money is what you need to make currently. That's the fastest way of making money. And what you primarily need after you have set your mindset and your skill set is your tool set. And we are going to provide all the three on this platform. I want you to come along with me. It's going to be a wonderful journey. And as we go, I will hold your hand and I'll point you to the indicators. When you're able to cross the bars, you will see doors are opening for you. Because life is such that any struggle or any challenges that you have in life, it is because you don't have enough information in that area. If your finances are suffering, then it means that you have not much information on your finances. That is why you are suffering. So I'm telling you, the easiest and the fastest way to generate income in the time we live in is to have an asset. And I'm going to continuously teach in these videos, one after the other. Every week, at least we may have 2 videos that are coming out. And all these videos are supposed to build your mindset, build your skill set, your tool sets, so that you'll be able to come out with an asset. And the moment you have one asset and you can build on with the next asset and you can build on with the third asset, then you are really going to have multiple streams of income. And all these streams, when they are coming into your financial bucket, you realize that money or finances will be a thing of the past. Your struggles will be over and you'll be able to solve your challenges. I want you to stay glued to this channel. I want you to subscribe. I want you to turn on all the alerts so that each time that we release a video which is giving you these financial directions, you will be the first to know and to apply the formula that we are releasing, so that your financial future can be solved much easier and quicker than you ever know. Stay tuned and watch out for our next video.